Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our leather and suede services and find it useful.
2. Tailored cleaning processes. Sudsies offers tailored cleaning and restoration processes designed specifically for leather and suede. Each garment is carefully assessed, and a customized plan is developed to address its unique needs. Whether it's removing tough stains, repairing scuffs, or rejuvenating the material, Sudsies provides the personalized care required to maintain and enhance the beauty of your leather and suede garments. 3. Eco-friendly and gentle treatment. Sudsies is committed to using environmentally friendly practices in all their services. This includes the use of non-toxic and gentle cleaning solutions that are safe for delicate materials like leather and suede. Their eco-conscious approach ensures that your garments are treated with the care they deserve while also minimizing environmental impact.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.